Hey guys, how are you? I've just shot out here to Wallangra this morning. I hope I said that right. Never been here before. I found it in the Inverell Fossicking brochure that I got from the campsite. So I thought I'd come out, check it out and show you guys what's out here. Yeah, it's a bit of a drive up, a bit dodgy. You definitely won't get up here with a two-wheel drive. I've come up as far as I'm willing to go. It gets even dodgier than down lower. So yeah, we'll go for a walk and have a look around.
We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.
So this is the brochure that I got, just dry fossicking for tourmaline in quartz. As you can see there, it's up on the ridge, and that just goes down to Inverell. So there's a lot of stuff just lying on the surface, so I'm probably just going to pick a few bits up off the ground and should be happy with that. Hopefully get a couple of big specimens to take home. Okay, so this is the kind of thing you're going to find here. You can see that pencil tourmaline running through these this bit of quartz. Another piece here, so that's covered in tourmaline there. And yeah, you can see those bits there. So yeah, that's the kind of stuff that that's lying around on the ground. Whether it gets any better quality, I'm not sure, but let's go find out. I've just found this, and I'm going to pull it out though and see what it is. So it might be a bit hard to see, but there's actually termination crystals on there. So yeah, that's a cool little specimen. Just needs a bit of a clean up. I don't actually know anything about this area. I've come here with zero information. I didn't even plan on coming out here, to be honest. I finished my hike this morning and I didn't really have anything else planned for the rest of the day. So I had a look at the brochure and thought, why not? And to be honest, I'm glad I did. Like, there's a lot going on here, a lot to explore, and I've already found some really nice pieces, so I'm quite confident I'm going to take something nice home for the display today. So as you can see, there's a lot of little crystals in this. So that would have come from a little pocket. That's pretty cool. I'm just at this little pile here, and the way that I like to spec through this is start on one side. I'll just come back a bit. So start on one side and keep the sun on the other side, and basically just walk straight forward. That way it keeps your shadow out of the way, and the sun helps you obviously spot things sparkling a bit easier. What's this bit? So right there, little double termination. Here's a little termination. It looks like it needs a bit of a clean. Not sure what it's going to look like under that. Okay, so right on top, there's this really cool little bit sticking out. See if you guys can see that. So that came out quite easily, and it literally is just a tourmaline. How cool is that? You can see I just cleaned that face of that rock up. I wasn't sure what was under it, but it's got some really nice crystals on it. The only thing is it's a really large rock, and I don't really want to take something that big home. So I'm just going to leave it here to shine in the sun. Other people can look at it or take it if they want to. It's pretty much that whole face is crystallized. And there's some really clear termination points on there too. I'm literally just lying here on the ground on my jumper, just looking around, getting as close to the ground as I can, specking, and I found another little bouquet of tourmaline. It's going to clean up really nice. I find another little termination too. So there's plenty of cool stuff around. You could just spend all day just sitting here looking through these dirt piles. I haven't really dug anything apart from that big rock. Everything else is pretty loose on the top. And I'm guessing after some decent rains, you know, it's just going to wash more dirt away and expose a few more crystals, so that might be a good time to come out. I've come here literally knowing nothing. Found some really cool bits and pieces. I'm going to have a little bit more of a look and then probably head off. Not a bad spot, definitely happy I came out here today. If you're in Inverell, I definitely think you should make the trip out here if you like quartz. Of course, not everyone likes quartz, but you know, we won't hold that against them. So yeah, if I find anything special, I'll show you. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed the video. Good luck if you come out here, and catch you next time.